Hey y'all, I guess you can't see me right now, but I'm on a walk. I'm gonna be doing some videos on walks. But I'm doing a walk right now in the dark. I know, I don't like the dark, but hey, sometimes I gotta walk. I gotta lose the weight. So, might as well go on a walk. Pretty soon I gotta be heading back to my uncle's house. He's probably wondering where I went. I told him I was gonna go on a walk. I didn't tell him when I was gonna be back. But I will be back shortly. Usually, I've been down some roads and never been down this road before. Unless I have, and I just don't remember. But I'm trying to stay near the light as possible. And if I get out, get away from the light, crap. I don't know what I'll do. Now let's just stop the video and call it breaks. Oh, looks like I'm getting close to a church. There's a church up ahead this road. Maybe I have been down here. This road does look familiar. Yeah, I've been down here before. I know exactly where I'm at. So, but I guess this can be like a little nature documentary or something. Walking in nature. Except there's environment around. Courtesy of Tub. Uh-oh. There's a dog out. I advise myself not to go near it, or I get my ass killed. Oh. Mind the cussing. If I did cuss. So, if I did cuss, my bad. Alright. Besides that, anyone that gets near me, I gotta put my phone down. Because I think I have my phone up with no light on, which I kinda can't have a light on since I'm recording. But if they think I don't have a light on and I have my phone up, they think mine must be crazy. Alright. So this video won't be for long. It won't be long. I should be on something. So once I get to the end of this road right here, I'm gonna stop the video, give it an end, then I'm gonna walk back. I'm gonna walk back to my uncle's house, maybe do another video while I'm watching YouTube. And it won't be a long video. Excuse me. Whew. So anyways, looks like I know where I'm at. So I've been here. Alright. I'm gonna call it ends here. So hope y'all enjoyed the little walk I was on. Well, not little, it's much longer. I'm just not gonna record more. So anyways, see ya in the next video. Goodbye.